The death of cash has officially begun. I've heard for so many years, cash is king. Cash is the only thing that matters. But what if I told you the money in your wallet could soon become worthless? Because a lot of people do not know this, but Trump's new system is being quietly rolled out, and it's the beginning of a cashless America. No, this isn't theory. It's happening right now. If you're not paying attention, your bank account, your savings, your freedom to buy what you want, all of it could be taken away legally. That's the scarier part. And if you think you're safe because you've got a debit card, think again, because under Trump's system, even digital money comes with strings attached. Now stick with me, because if you missed this video, you might wake up one day and discover you no longer control your own money. So I'm gonna break this video down into 4 very important parts that you do not want to miss. If you miss a minute of this, you could potentially wake up and not have anything in one day. Now, part 1, the shift is happening right now. So here's the deal. The US government, under Trump's economic push, is accelerating something called the central bank digital currency, or otherwise known as a CBDC. Now, a lot of people will say that on the surface, it sounds like innovation, a digital dollar backed by the Federal Reserve, easy payments, faster transfers, no more printing paper money. But here's the truth nobody's telling you. CBDCs are not like Bitcoin or Ethereum. They're not decentralized. They're not private, and they're absolutely not designed to benefit you. They're programmable money, which means the government can track every dollar you spend. That's a real favorite one. Limit what you can buy. I mean, they literally can limit what you're gonna buy wherever you're gonna buy it. Expire your money if you don't spend it fast enough. That's the crazier part. When I started reading up on this, I was like, expired money? Like, are you serious? Yes, freeze your account with the push of a simple button. And listen, it's not just an idea anymore, because pilot programs are underway. The FedNow system launched. The infrastructure is here, and the lights are all green. And here's the part that people don't want to tell you, is that Trump's team is positioning this as a way to fight inflation, because they really don't know any other way, to be honest with you. And they also want to beat China's digital yuan and streamline the entire economy. But what they're not telling you is it's also the perfect surveillance tool. So moving on to part number 2. I mean, why is Trump pushing this is the real big question, right? You might be thinking, hold up, I thought Trump was anti-establishment. Unfortunately, you're wrong, and everything he's doing is proving that. But here's the thing. Trump isn't just fighting Democrats, he's fighting for dominance. And that includes dominance over the global financial system. Because as you may have seen with tariffs and everything that's going on, it's very obvious. Because his advisors believe the US digital dollar is the only way to maintain the dollar's global supremacy. But here's the part that should scare you. Imagine a future where your tax refund is only issued in CBDC, but you can't spend it on things like firearms, political donations, or crypto, because the code behind the money says no. Or my favorite, let's say you criticize the government online, and suddenly your digital wallet is frozen. No court hearing, no appeal, just silence. Listen, this isn't a movie. This is real technology, and it's already being tested. I tried to warn everybody about FedNow last year. Everybody's like, it's not a big deal. Everybody's like, oh, nothing happened, Mike. Oh, it's still moving. I want to give a special shout out to all my beasters out there that are working hard to fix their credit using DisputeBeast, the most advanced AI credit repair software ever created that comes with the 110% money back guarantee. But specifically to Luis. Luis's credit score went up 261 points after just one round with DisputeBeast. And Jency's credit score went up 225 points after just one round with DisputeBeast. But let's not forget James. James's credit score went up 207 points after just one round with DisputeBeast. DisputeBeast's link is going to be in the video description and pinned at the top of the comments for anyone that needs to fix their credit. Let's move on to part number 3. What happens if you ignore this? Let me be 100% clear. If you do nothing and you let this rollout happen unchecked, here's what you're handing over: your spending history, your financial privacy privacy, and 100% control over your own money. The days of pulling $200 from your ATM without permission will be completely gone. No more buying what you want, when you want, with no eyes on you. Instead, every purchase becomes a data point. Every transaction is another way to rate you, rank you, and potentially restrict you. And here's the biggest problem. Once the system is in place, you can't opt out. Cash will be gone. Paper bills, history, privacy, a relic of the past. Last part's the most important. Here's a bonus nugget that I wanted you to know about. In the new tax bill, they are trying to pass funding for a digital coin. So it's not just about going cashless, it's about what they're trying to push America into, because this current administration is all about digital currency and cryptocurrency. So be aware and stay prepared and know exactly what's going on. So let's move on to part number 4, how to protect yourself now. So the big question is, what can you do? So let's talk solutions, because there are ways to protect your financial freedom. Step 1, I've been saying this in shorts and people are not paying attention. Diversify. Don't keep all your money in one account, especially with major banks that will be the first to adopt the CBDC. Spread it. Local credit unions, business accounts, and trusted fintechs. Step number 2, convert a portion of your cash into hard assets. I'm talking about gold, silver, and even Bitcoin, but not on centralized exchanges. Cold wallets only and always. And step 3, open a business account with platforms like Bluevine. They offer better control and often fly under the Fed radar longer. And step 4, you need to stay informed. Of course, subscribe to this channel, turn on notifications, because we are not waiting around for CNN or Fox News to break the story when it's already too late. And step 5, you need to educate your family, your spouse, your kids, your business partners. Make sure they're not sleepwalking into a digital slavery. So what's the real hidden agenda? Well, let me tell you what the dirty secret behind this whole system is. The government is broke. Understand this. 35 trillion in debt, and the only way out is going to be control. They can't tax you fast enough with paper cash, but digital currency, that's different. Auto-deducted taxes, negative interest rates, spending limits on savings to stimulate the economy, and it won't stop with Trump, because other presidents also support it. So do major banks, and so does the World Economic Forum. Once the system is on, it stays on forever. Listen, don't make the mistake and wait for the headlines to say cash is now illegal. Start preparing today. Make sure to drop a comment with the word control if you are not okay with this. And make sure that you like, share, and subscribe. And make sure to watch this next video right here if you need to delete collections or charge-offs from your credit report, because it comes with a 110% money back guarantee.